What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Guys, look at this beautiful Lexus GS350 2015 four-door, all blacked out, nice custom wheels. Just a good looking Lexus. I like it. What we got done on her? Converters 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. Then Lexus's X-Pipe right there. If you guys can't see it, let's see if I can get it to focus. Then there was these two resonators on it right there. Took them off and put two Evil Energy that he brought. Part number ES00856S2.5 by Evil Energy. Boom. Anyways, that's what you see right there. That's the part number to these two shiny, beautiful resonators in the middle. Then it's got 2-inch pipe out the back. Then we ran 2 1/4 where the mufflers were there and right there. Deleted the 2 mufflers. There's the 2 mufflers right there that we deleted. And then his custom built-in tips that were made by Lexus. Anyways, the factory rear bumper or valence or diffuser, they've got many names. We left those stock right there. So it looks like we didn't do anything but gave it beautiful sound, as you guys can see right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Lexus GS350. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds really nice. Your sound decibels? Again? 103. What do you think? Yes, sir! Lexus GS350. Evil Energy mids. Rear delete. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus GS350 Evil Energy. Stop. Sorry guys, he's digging again. Let you guys know there's construction. We hate it, but that's Nashville. Growing like crazy.